Okay, I'm going to make a no-bake cream cheese strawberry pie, or it could be strawberry cream cheese pie. And I'm using a graham cracker crust. You can purchase it. You could make one, use one that's chocolate, I guess, if you'd like that. But this is a plain homemade graham cracker crust that I did the tutorial for. So you can look that up if you'd like to. And it's all chilled and ready. And I have all the ingredients there are for this filling is 1 cup of cream whipped, and I whipped it in this mixer, taken it out in the same mixer without washing it. I'm going to do the cream cheese. So it takes 2 blocks, 8-ounce blocks of whipped cream, cream cheese.
With or without the shell?
I know I should have done this part first, but whoops. So 1 cup of heavy whipping cream whipped, and 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. Softened. That's why I'm having a hard time getting this off. It's 'cause it's soft.
It's soft.
Yeah. And then it just takes half a cup of sugar. Ah. If you open up the paper, it comes out easier. Oops. So I'm going to put the cream cheese in here with the half cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. I'm going to put the lid on here because I don't want to have white specks all over her. Just go around this bowl once. Cream cheese filling. I'm gonna put that. Let's see. I guess I'll put it all in here. Oh, I'll put it in here so you can see. Normally, I think I would do the other way around. But and you just want to fold it. You don't want to really stir it because you want to keep the whipped cream whipped up to a high volume. Okay, and I just kind of fold it until the whipped cream is incorporated.
Oh yeah, it blends right together because they've both been whipped independently.
Yeah. It's nice you can use the same bowl. You don't have to worry about washing between. They're going to be mixed up anyhow.
Right, right.
So.
But this is for television viewing. I guess television's an old-fashioned word, isn't it?
Okay. Now I'm gonna pour it into the chilled. Oh wait, I see something I didn't get in here. Okay. Fill this.
Well, this goes together very well if you have all the elements ready,
Yeah.
doesn't it?
So in another posting, I did this is a homemade Danish dessert, and I just put fresh sliced strawberries in it. And you have to be careful to make sure that the glaze is cool before you put fresh fruit in it. And so I can't decide, should I put it on there or should I serve it with the glaze?
Well, for
What do you
the
think?
for publicity, why don't we hold up the pretty looking pie with the strawberries on it?
That's right, yeah,
So put it on the pie.
yeah, yeah.
I guess we could hold up an individual piece.
Oh.
It's doesn't matter.
Might be easier to cut without it, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Okay.
So either way, you can either
Let's serve it either
put
way.
it on it if you're going to serve it right away. I'm not sure, we probably can't eat this whole thing. I'm thinking maybe it would last longer.
Probably do that
So-
Separately.
Yeah, so let's just get some.
Let's see. You need a sharper knife.
I think it's okay. I think it's okay.
Good forks.
I just want to wash my hands.
The first one out is the hard part. So sorry, who gets the first one?
And then when you refrigerate that, it'll be even easier.
Yeah, yeah.
So normally you refrigerate the pie.
Yeah, you
Before you
normally,
serve it.
yeah, it just says refrigerate for 4 hours. So,
That would be more set.
yeah, be more sad. But I forgot that little detail. So,
But it's gonna be good anyway.
yeah. Let's move this out of the way.
Give us a fork.
Here, go ahead and put some on yours. I'll wipe my hands.
Strawberry. There we go. Oh, sure. Strawberry, okay.
We'll eat it and then we'll have to take a picture.
Okay.
Okay, so here you've got it.
Hold it up first, or? Okay.
Oh, just-
Mm. Well, I really love the crust.
Makes a difference. This actually wasn't bad if you have to serve it right away before chilled.
I think
It's,
that's great.
it's a little harder to get it out of the bowl. Anyway, hope you enjoy.